Welcome to the Coding Problem series. In this video, we are going to explore the Rabin-Karp algorithm, a powerful technique for string matching that uses the concept of rolling hashes. Let's first define the problem. Suppose we have a long text string and a shorter pattern string. We want to find out if the pattern exists inside the text. For example, does the word be a T exist inside the sequence? The most obvious way to solve this is the naive approach. You slide the pattern over the text one position at a time. At each step, you compare every character. While simple, this is slow. If the text has length n and the pattern has length m, the worst-case time complexity is n times m, which is too slow for very large texts. Rabin-Karp introduces a brilliant idea. Instead of comparing characters one by one, which is slow, what if we compared numbers? If we can convert strings into numbers, also known as hashes, we can compare them instantly to check for a match. To convert a string to a number, we assign values to characters. For instance, A is 1, B is 2, and so on. We can then use a weighted sum formula to calculate a unique number for any string. In this simple example, a BC becomes 123. Calculating the hash for every window from scratch would still be slow. This is where the rolling hash comes in. When we slide the window, we don't recalculate everything. We simply subtract the value of the character leaving the window and add the value of the new character entering it. This happens in constant time. Here is the mathematical formula used for the rolling update. The new hash is calculated by taking the old hash, removing the leading term, shifting the remaining value, and adding the new term. All of this is done modulo q to keep the numbers manageable. There is one catch called a collision. Sometimes, two different strings might result in the same hash value. This is called a spurious hit. Because of this, whenever the hashes match, we must double-check the actual characters to ensure it is a true match. So the full algorithm works like this. First, calculate the hash of the pattern and the first text window. Second, if hashes match, verify the characters. Third, slide the window using the rolling hash formula. Finally, repeat this process until you reach the end of the text. In the average and best case, this algorithm runs in linear time, O of n plus m, making it very efficient. However, in the worst case with many collisions, it can degrade to O of n times m, similar to the naive approach. To summarize, Rabin-Karp uses the power of hashing to efficiently find patterns. The rolling hash technique allows for fast updates, making it excellent for applications like plagiarism detection, where you might search for multiple patterns at once.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.